everyone, welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the sash balance, also known as a block and tackle, in a vinyl non-tilt window. Let's get started. So let's start by closing these metal clips. Make sure we'll be able to slide the window up. Make sure your window is unlocked. And then we're going to carefully slide our window to one side, creating a clearance on the other. Now we're going to slowly lift up and help it come out. On the side you have the clearance, and then we're going to pull, and it's free. After you take the window out, be sure to inspect the sides. There's sash guides in either side that you may need to replace. For example, mine was just snapped right off. So you can find these online pretty easy. So when it comes to measuring for your replacement, be sure to only measure metal to metal. Do not include those plastic pieces. Mine happens to be 27 inches. This ensures you order the correct size piece. Which I did not do the first time around. And a big tip for saving money is avoid the big box stores. You can find these online between $10 and $20, so I highly suggest doing that. Just Google sash balance and the inches that you need. All right, next let's get these metal clips that we pushed in earlier. Make sure they're out. Okay, so we're gonna hook our little foot in the hole of our encasement. Okay, let's go. We're gonna put it in the second hole down. Make sure your foot is at the bottom. Just push gently to get your hook in there, okay? Then we're gonna push it flat and firmly but gently. We're going to push this down. Okay, you're gonna feel that resistance. That's okay, just have a good hold on it. Nice and easy. Now, our clip that we brought out earlier is going to be our catch. Okay, just like that. So like I said earlier with our sash guides, if you're gonna replace one sash balance, replace the other, okay? Here we go. Here's our foot. Second hole down. Clip it in gently. Now firmly, but just nice and steady, push it down till we get under that clip. And again, that's gonna be our catch. Be sure that your sash balance is nice and centered in your casement here. That's gonna make it a lot easier when we put that window in. Now for the fun part, let's replace this window. Okay, so we're gonna go back in on one side. I want you to make sure you're above that plastic sash guide at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna slide our window around it. That's why we're in there. We're gonna go through. We're gonna slide just a little bit. Try to keep it even. Now we're gonna go up. Okay. Now let's slowly slide down. Try to keep them even on both sides. Okay, you should feel it catch. And I'm slowly gonna push down with my sash balances. You can feel that resistance. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom. Now that we're at the bottom, we're gonna close those clips back up. Very easy. Let's open our window back up. And that's it. Your window should now operate like new. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like any more tips, just comment below. And please, if you like this video, follow me and give this video a thumbs up.